Yes way. I know, it's crazy, right? What? He's alive? That's crazy. What? What the fuck? Where's my... Oh, there we go. How's it going? Welcome back to me trying to understand my code for 2 hours. Whoa. Are there D20s? Of course there are. There are D120s. Not mere D20s. Get that shit out of here. Yes, there are D20s, of course. Alright. Today's plan, as the title suggests, is explaining why the fuck I didn't stream for a week. Then doing saving and loading, upgrades, and then a new layout, and then what else? Loading screen stuff, like proper loading screen, so I don't have to do it again all over at some point. I just wanted to combine saving and loading with a loading screen because, you know, that makes sense. Yeah, that's it, I think. So for the first one, why did I stream last week? Well, I was actually doing work on this project as well. So I present to you this little thing. Wow. Actually, I'm gonna put it into viewing mode. There we go. So this is the design doc. It's not done yet. There's a lot of empty space, but it's a lot of text and it's a lot of writing. So that's why. And then there's this thing, which looks very scary. I started this yesterday. This will be for testing and balancing the game. And then that's about it, pretty much. I spent the last week just well, I was busy, but also like with other stuff, but yeah, it was mainly just going through ideas, stuff and things, you know. Yeah, it's and a lot of research. Like basically I did 2 weeks of research. It was insane. I got to meet new people that play a lot of incremental games, so that's good. And I watched a lot of talks. I wrote or read a lot of I read a lot of stuff and things, and yeah, it was just a bunch of reading and learning and yeah, stuff like that. I'll definitely write a design doc when I have no motivation to keep cooking my spaghetti code, so you can say I'm working on my game. Yeah, I mean, technically you should do it before you start doing something, but as you can see, I did it the opposite way as well. And that's because I already knew, like I already had this thing, which was my doc technically, and this was the first thing that I did, so I just made it, I you know, rewrote it so it looks better, pretty much. Yeah, my jaw hurts for some reason. I don't like it. I play a lot of incremental games for real. Nice, that's good. I have another person to trap. I still have a lot of questions, like balancing the length is gonna be a really hard one. Also, how much would you be willing to pay for a game like that, and so on and so forth. But it's very hard to like say these things because you don't see the final product, right, or what it can be. So, you know, I'll have to figure that out later. I feel I need a gameplay loop before I can start thinking. Yeah. That's a good way to do it usually. Like, you do a bunch of ideas, like prototypes, and then you pick the one that you like, and then you start writing stuff. Yeah, 20, but that's for an indie game that is, you know, not an incremental game or an idle clicker, you know, so we'll see. We'll see. Depending on how much content there's gonna be and yeah, stuff and things. I'm not sure, but I wouldn't do that because I would rather do it the opposite way instead of decreasing the price, because then the people who bought the game for a higher price will get pissed. But I don't know. That's why sales are a thing, right? Because usually no one buys games that aren't on sale unless it's like, you know, a new game or something, but still usually it has a sale when it comes out anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if it's gonna be paid. That's the thing. I have no clue. Because honestly, I just want to learn with this project. I just want to go through the whole process of putting it up on Steam. I have something in my throat. Oh my god. Yeah. So we'll see. But yeah. Okay, anyways, about that. Isometric coordinates are hard to I learned yesterday. Hey, good thing that you told me because, well, I've. It's funny that you say that. Is what I was gonna say. Because this game will have isometric stuff as well. But I've already made isometric games, so or like worked on. But it is, yes. I mean, are they though? Because technically, it's the same as normal grid coordinates, but or like, you know, 2D, but like up and down is divided by 2 or something like that. I forgot. True. Yeah, good thing there are smarter people than us, so we don't have to reinvent the wheel. I saw a person, Exo Drifter, I think they're called, on Twitch yesterday, and they're making a game of like being stuck in space, I think, or something like that. I don't remember what exactly it was. And the guy said, "Oh, so like, do you see this black hole? Because there's like a black hole in the background. So many people think it's a skybox because that's how you would normally do it." And then he says, "So I know a person, or like, yeah, something about like a person who got their PhD in real-time rendering of black holes." So he, in his indie game about signals and like something completely unrelated to the black hole, has a real-time rendering of a black hole just running in the background at full speed, just because he knows a guy. That was insane to me. I don't know, people are crazy. But yeah. What's it gonna do? Yeah, I was gonna show you something real quick. Well, I don't know if I can show this, but I guess I can. Oh, what the fuck? There we go. More efficient use of development time and computation. Oh, most efficient use. Yes, that is true. It's not even that, like, it all runs on the GPU technically because it's like a shader, but it's just very accurate. So technically, it's not even that bad. I respect it. Yeah, I was gonna do this real quick. So I started working with an artist on this. Where's my the fuck? Hold on. There we go. So we worked before, like together before on a project. She is an amazing artist, and she made some like early art, I guess, whatever you want to call it, of just sketches, I guess, of characters and the UI, because we talked about like how it would look like. So I don't want to show everything, so I'm just gonna show one picture. Spelunky OST going hard in the background. There we go. So these are two different, whatever you want to call it, like mock-ups, but this would be kind of how the view would look like. So like you would have a map that you can click around, and like those would be the buildings, the rollers that you buy. This is your view, the player's view, and then this whole section is the section that shows up when you click on something. So this whole section changes based on where you are. And then these are the upgrades. This is just like what it looks like when you click on it, and then some stats maybe. Yeah. So that's that. We'll see how that's gonna look like. But for now, there's work to do. So I'm trying to think if there's anything that changed. I guess the only thing that actually changed is that since last time is that the rollers function, this bad boy, this thing, is a bit different in that it uses delta time instead of physics ticks per second, so it's more accurate. In like it's not that big of a difference, but like if for some reason you drop below 10 FPS, it's gonna be correct. So instead of just guessing, or not guessing, but like it would be less correct in that case, but that's a very specific edge case. Are the incremental parts that generate the currency going to be stuff related to dice? Yeah, pretty much. So, um, like there will be like funny ones, but like also the ones that make sense. So I don't want to go into the story that much because it's kind of like spoilers. But basically, you are sent to get influence and fortune and luck for yourself, and the city that you get sent to, you can influence people by basically teaching them like, hey, you can do the same. So like you go up to a bunch of people in a bar, for example, and be like, hey, you wanna learn how to do magic? You wanna learn how to like use these magical dice that are infused with luck? It's gonna be good for you. And then they start working for you. And those are the people, those are the rollers that you have. And the buildings would represent the rollers. So like there can be a camp of random people, or there can be a school, like an academy of magicians that do it for you, or there can be uh uh a bingo parlor of grandmas. It can be literally anything. One of them is a cat cafe, because why not? It's funny. Like it doesn't have to be anything specific, but it's all related. So like somehow in all the cases they do roll dice for you no matter what, or like somehow generate you that currency, which in this case I still don't know what it's gonna be called. Maybe like give me a second, I have a list. I have a whole list. Fate shards, dice dust, fortune fragments, fate sparks, something like that. They were rolling for Candyland or something. What? I'm confused. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of like random ones. But it has a story, it has a narrative, it has characters. It's just that I don't want to talk about it that much yet, because things can change. And like a board game, yeah. There was one where it would be a D&D, but instead of Dungeons and Dragons, because that's a copyright strike waiting to happen, or a copyright issue, it would be Dungeons and Dice, because it's funny and it's still D&D, So it's gonna be like a party of Dungeons and Dice players that roll for you. So yeah, there's gonna be a bunch. There's gonna be 10 actually, at first, at least. So maybe less, but I think 10 for now is fine. We'll see. Depends on how much the game will need it. So yeah. Anyways, so let's do. Oh yeah, before I do anything, I was gonna change something real quick, or test, I mean. So let's duplicate this and do it again. Seven. Let's do that. Oh, this is a third one. I just want to see if my system is good or not. I'm so glad I'm gonna be changing this. This sucks. But it should be... I just want to quickly see what would happen if I bought a bunch of them. And then how performant it would be to roll them all. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I want to ideally see the monitors before it starts, but that's not gonna happen. Yeah, that seems about right. Just wanted to see if it works with like multiple ones. It says that I have 0 of them, but I have 1,000,000 of each. It just didn't update the labels. That's why it's going up so fast. NGAU number go up, yes. Exactly. All right. We're good on the performance side. Okay. So, Jesus. First thing would be we could do it in a normal order, but I really want to do something that makes more sense first, which would be, well, this is the plan, right? So I want to make a new layout closer to the final one, or the one that we decided on, that is. And then just for testing, and then make upgrades, and then make saving and loading, and then make a loading screen. I think that's the best way to do it, because that makes the most sense to me. I don't know. So let's do that. I mean, I guess I can just destroy the whole thing technically. Maybe. Or maybe I can just make a new one. Like make a UI2 and then hide this one. There we go. Sure. So do I have it set on full HD? Yes. Yes, I do. Well, kind of. All right. When I'm here, I'm gonna get rid of... I forgot which one is which, and it doesn't really show in the docs, I don't think. Okay, well, we'll see. So let's make... let me open the picture real quick, so I can see what it should look like. There we go. So we need... oh yeah, also, it should be good to go to my editor settings. No, where is it? Editor features. And then get rid of this. There we go, so I have a 3D tab. There's a reason why I want the 3D tab, I'm gonna explain that later. But for now it's not needed, I would forget about it, so it's there now. I guess... Let's see. How are we gonna do this? It doesn't have to be perfect, so let's just do a H-box container. And a V-box container. And it's gonna do that. And then... Actually, what happens if I don't align it? Nothing. Okay, that makes sense. We need 2 of these. And then... What else? In this one, we need another H-box container. No. Another V-box container, I mean. Oh wait, no, we don't. We need a texture or a panel or something. I'm gonna put a... Let's see. A panel would be okay, I think, for now. I guess. We could do a texture. Isn't there like a... No, okay. Let's do a texture. We need a placeholder. Also, it should be aligned. Grid container. Actually, I don't know if I want a grid container. No, it is probably good with 2 columns. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I think that's gonna be okay. And then this one was also gonna be like that. This will have a placeholder texture. I forgot that everything has like a separation by default, which kind of sucks. I don't like that, but it's okay. We'll fix that later. This is where our upgrades are gonna be. Let me see. What I would want specifically is that the sizing wouldn't be 1-to-1, like the ratio. Yeah, this is what I need. So the ratio would be like 0.7 maybe. For now, let's just leave it, but I'm gonna get back to it. And then in this one, it would be the same thing where the top part would be the player area. So in this case, it would be our button. Yeah. Can the... What was it called? Not scroll. Margin. Does it can it have more than 1 child? How would that work? So if I like load an icon or something. Okay, so it's just on top of it. Okay, that's perfect. Let's do that then. And I guess same with this then, margin. Well, maybe not. It's probably okay for now, but I'm gonna keep it simple for now. So we can do like, I don't know, maybe a panel would make more sense. Or just a control maybe, I don't know. We can do control. And then this could have the button and also it could also have a music. Hello. It's shitting itself. Give me a second. Okay. All right. What do you call it? The margin, that's what it was, yes. And in that we want a label and I guess not a label. Let me check this real quick. Another B box or H box container, I mean, because that's what we need. And then that can be top wide for now. And that can have a label, currency. Actually, I don't know if I want to do it that way. So let's just leave it empty for now. Let's just put a bunch of these thingies. Yeah. This can be center, that's fine. And then this, the layout would be no. I forgot how this works. How do I put this in the center of the H box? There we go. Like that. That's fine for now. Oh, Jesus. All right. It can look ugly for now. It's okay. Let's see, that's the control. What is this? This is the button stuff. Okay, that's fine. Then we need another one, which would be for the mini map, which in this case would be a sub viewport container, I think. Yeah. I'm actually not sure how that's gonna be done yet, so we'll have to see about that. I guess for now, let's just put another one of these there. Let's just put a sub viewport in there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, that's fine for now. And now we can do the container sizing stuff, the ratios. So this one would be probably like 50-50, but this one, when it comes to this whole section, should have where is it? Layout like 1.3, no, 1.5. What is 2? I see. Okay. I should probably put some stuff in here for now. Let's just put buttons in there. Test. Like that. There we go. That looks better already. A little bit at least. Just to see what it's gonna look like. Spooky. So I don't think this has to be here, honestly. It can just be on its own. Like that. For now, at least. So this would be 1-to-1, but this wouldn't be 1-to-1. This would be like a bit more, I would say. What does 1.5 look like? That's actually perfect almost. I think this is too much, maybe. I think 1.5 or 1.8. I don't know. Maybe it is fine like this. I don't know how much space this has to occupy, that's the thing. Nested type arrays this pair. What are you doing? That doesn't sound good. One thing that I learned is do not do nested arrays if you want to go through them in Godot, or in GDScript at least. Enemies Pathfinder, I see. Yeah, this looks okay for now. I think this looks fine. I think this still occupies a big portion, that's the problem. Also, I still have an issue of this happening, so let's fix that first. Let's set it to... Which one is better? I forgot. Canvas or viewport for UI stuff mainly. Looping through the tiles they can move to. Oh, I see. Isn't there a Pathfinder already? Even for isometric? I'm pretty sure there is. Yeah, that's true. You can do find, there's like a, oh, give me a second. Navigation agents? No. Oh, oops, navigation. No, it wasn't a navigation agent. This thing. No. Wait, where is it? Give me a second. It was under tile maps. You could do like search maybe. Where is it? No. What was it called? It was like I know it exists because I used it before, but it was like okay, hold on. Tile map. Navigation. There was a way to do it. Well, you could do it through a navigation server. You can use units and tile maps. Yeah, you can. Tile maps have a function that translates tile map units to normal units, like position and stuff, and back. What was it? I remember like a algorithm that I used for like tile map path finding algorithm. A star, that's what it was. A star. So you make a so there's an A star grid, this one. So you make a new A star grid object, and this will basically do all the work for you. But you still, if you want to do something more complicated, you need to make your own heuristic. And that's very easy to do as well. So you can say, so this one's is just the default, but you can make your own, and you can compute the cost of it, estimate the cost, and stuff, you know. So if you can say if there is jumping is enabled, if what's the offset, what's the region, if you can go diagonally or not. There's a bunch. So yeah, and it has different heuristics. So like how should they avoid things, you know? So yeah, if you want tile map stuff, that is. So you can have your enemies and stuff as child. Well, yes, but you don't have to. You can just ask, hey, give me coordinates for this tile, and then translate them into normal coordinates, and then move that enemy there, or whatever, right? Yeah, this is your best friend. A star grid, specifically grid. There is one more called just A star 2D. A star 2D is the same thing, but A star 2D doesn't connect tiles automatically. You have to do the connections yourself. A-star grid 2D already has connections, so keep that in mind. It's pretty neat. All right, time to research what stretch mode to use. You just have to know. Yeah, I learned it because I already knew about A-star because I worked in Unreal on a project where I did a hexagonal A-star search thingy. Like, I don't know, 2 years ago at this point. Or something like that. So I knew about A-star then, but then in Godot 3 they didn't have A-star grid 2D. They only had A-star 2D. And then 4, I think, or 3.6 or 3.5, I don't remember. Some Godot version put the A-star grid 2D in there. If you want to do grid-based stuff, I recommend this page. That's loud. Red Blob Games. That was my research. Instant rat on my PC. Yeah, of course. That was my main, but that was before I was working in Godot, so Godot already has all of that. You just have to learn how it works. But I had to make my own in Unreal, so that's why I used that, because they have visual stuff as well. So like if we look here, the good thing about this is that they had, I needed an hexagonal system. Where was it? As flow fields are really cool. You should learn about those as well. That's another way of doing very easy AI. It's very cool. Heuristics, that's what A-star is pretty much. And then there was one more. Give me a second. Red Blob Games hexagonal grids. There we go. This is what I learned. So there's a bunch of ways to do this. There's flat, pointy, how they work, what's the functions, whatever. These are all the coordinate systems you can use. Cube coordinates. It shows you how it works, what the difference is. Axial, double coordinates. There's everything, literally. It's perfect. Raw dogging. Yeah, I mean that's one way to do it as well. You learn, yeah. Exactly. It's not a waste of time because you learn. All right, let's find what is going on. So I've seen this picture before, but I don't understand what it means, because it says that when you use viewport, well, this is old, I think, because now it's called canvas item and viewport, and I think one of them is the 2D one. Anyways, one of them is for pixel art, one of them is for like mostly, and one of them is for like normal high resolution projects, right? You can actually see it. But the problem is that they do different ways of scaling, I guess. I don't know how to like explain it, but basically how do I explain this? If I do canvas items, which in this case would mean that as it says, the base size specified in the width and height in the project settings is stretched, and everything rendered is everything directly at the everything is rendered directly at the target resolution. There is no longer a one-to-one correspondence between sprite pixels and screen pixels, which may result in scaling artifacts. And this is the issue. This is the problem that I had with this mode. I'm not sure which one to use. Like all the time, every single time I want to make a game like this, I don't know which one to use, which sucks. Because it's not very easy to, you know, figure out, I guess. It says recommended for games that don't use a pixel art aesthetic, although it is possible to use the stretch mode for pixel art games too. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. The problem with this is that if it's canvas items, you can already see scaling artifacts, like it's very blurry right now. So if I do viewport instead, like, I don't know if it's visible on stream, but so you can see that if I do this, there's like a shit ton of like weird things happening because it's trying to fit more pixels in actual pixels on screen that it can. So if I scale it up, it looks better, but like, you know, it's kind of weird. So in this case, canvas items might be better, but at the same time, it looks blurry. Like everything just looks very not crisp, which sucks. But at the same time, if I go to full screen, it looks okay. It still looks blurry though. I'm not sure. It just, I don't know, it just looks very blurry. It's kind of ass. I don't like it. 900p50, yep, that's my resolution. There's a reason for that, actually. It's a weird one, but yes, that is what I stream at. See, like, it's so blurry once you start going into like very small resolutions, which makes sense, and that's why like integer scaling is a thing. So if I keep the integer, if I switch to integer, I think it crashed. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? What? What is happening? Wait, what? Why is it like this? This is so confusing. That's funny. That's weird. Why does it do that? I'm so confused. I thought integer scaling was supposed to like only snap. Okay, now it's just busted. What the fuck? That's weird. Isn't this the half? Oh no, it isn't. That's like in between. That's why the fractional scaling doesn't work. That makes sense. 540. Nice. Well, that's not nice though. That's not fractional scaling or integer scaling, I mean. What the fuck? What? Is it bugged in this version or something? I'm confused. Huh. 900 is like I don't know what the specific thing is, but it's basically the best resolution for Twitch to stream at because of how it scales on the website. It's very hard to like explain, but it's basically the scaling or the resolution that it displays in and how small it is. It looks better in 900 than it does on 720, for example. So I don't have to stream at full HD, but I don't have to stream at ass quality, so I stream at 900 and then 50 FPS because it's almost the same as 60 and no one notices. So that's why. And it's 10 FPS less. So my PC doesn't have to struggle. Alright, this is confusing. Godot integer scaling doesn't work. This is confusing. For scaling, you could simply assign window content scale factor after calculating the desired percentage manually and by changing the content scale mode to 0. That way, the UI should always render in full resolution without it getting blurred at the scale of your choice. There's also automatic scaling option. I think it was content scale mode 1 canvas items, but I don't remember how this exactly works right now. I also think behavior is completely different. Ugh, this sucks. I don't get it. Also, this is old. What the fuck? Isn't this like mega old? And no one has said anything about it. Hmm. This is what I had like a issue with like before as well, where like things appeared very blurry, like text and stuff, when you had it less than what was the resolution of let me see, good or what was it, framework resolution, framework 12 resolution or 13, I don't remember. So the resolution was like, let's do canvas items. If the resolution was like 208, like this 920, this would not fit on my screen. What the fuck is going on here? That's not right. What is a 16 by 10 resolution? Like for a full HD. Hmm. 1440 by 900? That seems right. Yeah. Yeah, that looks fine somewhat. I see like some weird stuff going on. Other than that, it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks strange. It looks very blurry. It says set the base window to the blah, blah, blah. If you have a display smaller than a set window or override lower, then makes this project starts alternatively you can target high-end devices primarily. Set the base. This allows you to provide higher resolution to the assets, resulting in crisper visuals at the cost of higher memory usage. Note that this will make non-mid-map textures grainy. That makes sense. So make sure to follow these instructions, reducing and on downsampling. Canvas items such as to expand. This is also supporting multiple aspect ratios. We don't want that because we have a strict UI thingy. Configure controllers anchor snaps to correct corners. That's fine. It's getting cold. Give me a second. All right. Yeah, aliasing might appear when downsampling to something considerably lower. This results in enable mip maps. However, mip maps will increase memory usage. That makes sense. That's fine. Once scaling for different resolutions is accounted for, make sure that your user interface is also scaled for different aspect ratios. This can be done using anchors and or containers. We don't care about that. Ugh. I wonder if there is a way to fill in those blank spaces instead of it being black. I don't know if it would be better though. I don't think so, actually, now that I think about it. It's too much work, I think. Right, this didn't tell me anything. So I guess we're going with this. I think the issue was that because of this resolution, it's like 150%, I'm pretty sure, something like that, right? So it looks very bad. Like it looks like it's shitting itself hard. So because it's 150%. But then the scaling mode should fix that, no? Because then it should snap. At least that's how I think about it. Scaling, or the scale mode's integer would snap to the nearest screen size that it can be at, no? The scale factor will be floored to an integer value, which means that the screen size will always be an integer multiple of the base viewport size. Right. When using integer scaling with stretch mode, resizing a window to be smaller than the base viewport size will clip the contents. Consider preventing that by setting the window min size to the same value as the base viewport size. Window min size? What? Where's that? Scale factor multiplier is for this mode of balance determined by stretch mode. What? Oh, okay. It's only when it's disabled, I see. What is the window thing? Minimum window size. I don't see that anywhere. Yeah, I don't see it. Where's that coming from? Window min size. To the same value as the base viewport size. What? How does... Hold on. You know what? I'm spending way too much time on this. I don't know what I'm doing. What if we do double the resolution? Is it gonna change in here? Yes, it will. Oh, I don't know if I want that. Let's just my thinking was that for high resolution I mean, at the same time we can just do that later. No, it's probably fine. It's fine. This is very tiny though. It still looks very bad though, even if it's like halved. Oh well, too bad. We'll be working with this. Wrong resolution. This is the resolution that I wanted. There we go. All right. I spent way too much time on that. Okay. That's alright. What was I gonna do? We have this section. Yep, that's fine. This is our money. This is gonna be the minimap thing. These are the upgrades. Yeah. Sure. Let's do a control with this in there, and then align. Whoa, that's weird. What's going on? What the hell? This is bigger than it should be for some reason, which is very strange. There we go. Oh yeah, what was I setting it to? 1.5? Two. Stretch ratio would be 2 to 1. Okay. There we go. Is this also 2 to 1? It is. Yeah, that's fine. The reason I wanted this because I wanted to also put an H box in here at the top, and then do a label or something. Text goes here. It's very tiny. All right. This is killing my eyes, by the way. That's very bright. Goddamn. All right. Let's make this work. It's probably a good thing to do. Now that we have this, we don't have to see this because it's blowing up my eyes. That's way better. Goddamn. Yeah. That's fine. Interesting. Well, none of these work now, which is not great, but that's okay because we can fix that. So let's do that. All right, let's see. Because it's gonna work a bit differently, we need to figure out everything pretty much. So let's disable this one. Or actually, no, we don't have to do that. We can just where's this one? Button. Oh yeah, wait, we can just do pressed connect. There we go. That's connected. Then we want to do the label. So in this case, that would be this thing, which was named counts coins count. That's what it was called, yes. Let's rename it to something like currency count. That's better. Currency count. Let's make it a unique name. And a container which isn't gonna be used anymore. So we don't have to worry about that. So where's my currency count label? Currency count label. Oh, we use it only in one thing? Okay, that's not that bad. I feel like I've already heard this. This is going all over again. I think so. Hold on. Oh my god, it's going crazy. My library is fucked up. Hold on. Give me a second. I need to fix my music real quick. Sure. Let's do this one. All right. So now it should work. Yep. It sure does. I still feel like it's way smaller though, no? Oh no, it isn't. That's just how it looks. Okay, good to know. It's very blurry. That's what I hate about it. Let me see something. Godot blurry text. You know what we can listen to? Something that isn't even out. Eesh. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is a Deerbase exclusive. Wait. Where is the... There we go. Perfect. Oh, you can't even hear it. There we go. Now you can. Alright. Never before heard songs. Alright. That works. Let's do the rollers and the upgrades now. So... let me see something. Actual banger, goddamn. Let's do Godot. Tooltip on 2D objects. That's perfect. That's what I would like to do. Yes. I play this game. I know this game. Wait a minute. I just realized that this song will be in the VOD, but no other no other ones will be in the VOD except the ones that I'm playing through through the browser. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know.
We will also see how we can animate the tooltip in order to add polish to our game. As always, link to the final version of the code and to all the assets used are in the description. Let's get started. By making a tooltip for 2D, every collision object natively emits these signals, So working with them
True.
is especially easy. Collision
That is
object
very true.
with a nice sprite from can you inherit from no rotation style guide. To let the user control how the tooltip would look, we are going to create an export variable and we are going to call it visuals resource. It is going to be of type packed scene. Tooltip itself.
Isn't there like hold on. Git, yes, give me that. I don't care about looking at a video, I just want to read. Honestly. That's perfect. There might be a better way, this is 4 years old, you know, but... Let me see if I can find something. That's loud. Did you just hide it as an item pop-up thing? I don't know if I want to use their system, honestly, because like the nested stuff, I don't know. It's probably, let me see. I want to see the comments. Because you can't really animate it, can you? I'm seeing an issue when integrating this using it open close outer. Equipments, consumables, enchantment. As we know that we'll have different properties and descriptions. Does that mean we will have to make multiple pop-ups for every each? Yes, that's how that works. That's dumb. What? Why would I need to do that? Alright, let's start with the simple stuff, I guess, which would be making a scene or like a 2D thing that would be displayed right here. Sub-viewports. I forgot how the sub-viewports work, honestly. Sub-viewports. Oh, okay, I see. Because I don't want to just like... Yeah, I don't know. I want to make a... I think it's gonna be its own... Oh, but then... Oh my god, this is hard. Because they need to communicate between each other. So making it its own scene is easier to manage, but at the same time... Just having everything in one thing is better, but I don't know, maybe not. Because like if I put a node 2D here, right? And a camera and a sprite icon. Right? That works. But the issue is that now I can't really interact with it. So I think I do have to have a scene. It's gonna be difficult, but oh well. Let's get rid of you for a second. There we go. Game. World? I think. Or a map? It's probably a better one. We don't need a tile map because it doesn't have to be specifically on tiles, but it's gonna be isometric, so I don't know. But we do need a camera. And what I want to do is I want to make the camera movable in a way where like you can drag it around, which I've already tried once, and the one thing that I've learned is that when you want to scroll into something, you can see that it goes towards my mouse, right? If I move it, it scrolls where my mouse is. And I don't know if that's needed right now, honestly, because I think it's just fine if I just scroll directly to the center and then move, you know what I mean? I think that's better for now, easier to implement. So let's do that. Worst case scenario, I can just make my own camera, which isn't as hard as you think it is. Because, as you might think at least, because there's a whole documentation on how to do it, so yeah. We can do that. Worst case scenario. Oh, what the fuck did I do? I didn't mean to do that. Whoopsies. Alright. So let's just do... let's just do a bunch of sprite 2Ds for now. Or actually, there should have a collision, like a collider shape thingy. Collision shape. Give me a second. I'm gonna...
Ready for machine. We need to according to have
Oh, not collision, but area. There we go. And that has collision. Let's do a rectangle, it's fine for now. What was it, like 30 maybe? Yeah. There we go. That's gonna be our thing. And then we can connect nodes to it, or signals, I mean. So maybe it would be good to have it as its own scene, but for now it's fine, I think. For now, at least, we'll see. Yeah. I'm trying to think how the tooltips will work though. I mean, we don't have to worry about it right now, but it's good to have an idea at least. Because these need to act as buttons, basically. This would be the buildings, the rollers, right? So let's just make the map work for now. So let's save it. This is instead done by the first parent viewport that is set to handle input locally. What? I'm confused, but that's okay. Let's call it... What should we call it? Did we go through the whole playlist? Yes, we did. Okay. All right. World camera. It's probably fine. Actually, I don't know if it needs a class name, honestly. So we don't need to care about that. Oh yeah, I don't remember how I did the scrolling thing, but I can open the project. Give me a second. Or like the camera thing, I mean. Parser. What? Units? What? What do you mean? It's right here. Why is there a parser? Does it even work? I don't remember anymore. It's taking a long time. What the hell? Oh, that's what's happening. Oh wait, why is it? What the hell? Hold on. Cannot call the particles virtual in because it hasn't been. Okay, I don't know what that means, but does it work? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. This is my old pathfinding project, because if you're still here, this is exactly what I was talking about. These little guys are pathfinding to this dot. Where is this guy going? So like they are trying to. This is special heuristics where they're trying to go around mountainous areas and lakes if they can. If they can't, then they will go there. So they're trying to go around forests, and then they're trying to go around water and mountains. But we're not here for that. We're here for the camera because I want to yoink my code. So let's do that. Let's put it somewhere. There we go. I hate this. What is this? I don't remember. Why do I hate this? I'm not sure why I hate this. World camera. Oops. Or map camera. It's probably a better name. There we go. Let's put you there. Now I have to learn my own code because I don't remember any of this. Okay. Oh, so it only ticks when it needs to. I see. That makes sense. The position isn't lerped though, is it? It doesn't look like it. No, it's not. Also, it's right click instead of left click. Mouse button left. Which one was it? Mask. Mask left. Why is it why am I doing it through a button mask? That's weird. Also, I'm not doing set input handled for some reason, which is kind of weird, but sure. There we go. Now I can drag around and zoom. That's not... What the fuck? That's very not smooth though. It should lerp. Oh, because we're doing 10 frames per second instead of 60. That's how I'm lerping it. No, that should still work though, no? I don't remember. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, it's very laggy because I'm doing it on a physics stick. Let's not do that. Let's do it on a normal process stick. There we go. No, I keep clicking the wrong button. There we go. Hey. Nice. Beautiful. It's weird that it doesn't like... There's something wrong. I don't know what it is. There's something off. But it's correct, so I'm not sure. It might be the smoothing of the position, honestly, but that is... Position smoothing. That is very easily fixed. Look at that. Oh, that's a weird resolution. Hey, what's up, Primo? Stay hydrated. I have water. I will. That was actually my last sip. I am. I need to get more water. Actually, I just finished a glass. I'll be back. Give me a second. Hello. I have water. Thank you for keeping me hydrated. Appreciate it. I hope you're doing well. 15 on smoothing, okay. Good to know. Oh yeah, but that... see, I should probably put that into ready, because I will forget. There we go. That's very tiny. Oh, you know what it was? It was that the more away you were, the... yeah, the scrolling was weird. That's what it was, I remember now. Because the increment is the same no matter what. So if you're very like zoomed in, then it's way harder to scroll than if you're like way out here, which makes sense. So we need to fix that. Um, Let me see real quick. Because it should be the same no matter the distance, right? Hmm. Let's make new ones. Let's do like the same one that I had before. It's probably fine. I'm trying to see if I can do with twins, but I don't know if it's better to do with twins. Maybe. No, but this still will have the same issue. The problem is that when I'm zooming in and out, I am adding or subtracting the zoom factor or whatever, right? From the current zoom level. Which still, it's gonna have the same issue where if it's too far away, you know. Do we need to zoom in? Now that I think about it, I don't think we need to zoom in. Zooming in and out can be, it doesn't have to exist, technically. So it's probably fine. Because we only need to like do this, you know. Also, I don't know if I want the smoothing because it feels kind of delayed. I don't know about that. I don't know. We'll have to see. Also, this needs to be bigger. Let me see something. If I do texture, why is it shitting itself? That is weird. Okay, let's not do that then. Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, that's what we want. There we go. Yippee! And it only works when I'm in here. So if like I can do this, but like when I press here or whatever, it doesn't work. I have to do it in this small window. Yeah. Cool. Let's just make a bunch of them. Like that, maybe. I don't know. But the issue is that now you can get lost very easily. Also, I think it's way too big. Or, yeah, that's what I meant. That's better, maybe. Yeah, I think so. Oh, this I don't like how the scaling is working though. You can see like it's like wobbling a bit. Maybe not on stream, but I can see it. Okay, how do we fix that? This is the question. That's why, because MSA is disabled. But I think that's disabled by default, no? Yeah, it is. It also might be because this doesn't have any MIP maps. So it kind of looks weird. That might be it. I wish I could see the... maybe I can do it this way. No. I was gonna say, I wish I could see the sizing here as a square or something, you know what I mean? I mean, technically that's not gonna change, so I could just copy this value. It's a very ugly number now that I think about it. But it's because I think it's because it has like a gap between. I'm pretty sure. So like it would normally be 640 by. Oh wait, but that would still be ugly. What? That's weird. Oh well. I'm sure it's fine. In that case, let's put draw limits. Yo, Cocos, I found the project that I was talking about. Look at this. Give me a second. Because I went there to copy my camera code to this project. And I found this. Oh, it's loading. There we go. This is the old project that I was talking about. And you can see these purple lines are debug lines for pathfinding. So these small little guys are pathfinding on a grid, and they're trying to avoid obstacles plus the bitrate is bad. Oops. Well, as you can see, this guy is going along the beach instead of going through the water. Or like, I think the way I taught or like told them to go is to go around forests, which is a green area, to not go into water unless they need to, and to go around mountains. So unless they go into the mountains, they shouldn't go there, like go through forests and stuff like that. So, and this is all, yeah, this is all A star. They use the same thing. Yeah. Sorry for the bitrate, my internet's shitting itself. Oh yeah, the limits, that's what I was gonna do. Limits. +200 BPM music, is it? Yep. You missed Dear Bay Special songs. We were listening to his trance music. He has like a whole unreleased section from just like hypertrance and yeah, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. But good thing is that it's gonna be in the VOD because I forgot that I don't have my browser, because I was playing it through a browser. I don't have it set up so it doesn't like show up in the VOD. Or actually, I don't know if I need to set these manually. Maybe not. Maybe just this is fine. Maybe neither, like maybe none of these actually. It's probably okay. So let's do smooth, and then we should be able to see the limits. Yes, we can. Mm-hmm. So let's do minus 1,500 maybe? Or minus 2,000? That's too much probably. Yeah. That's probably fine. There we go. Oh, that's weird though. It feels like it's like sticking to the top. Oh, what? Oh, that's very strange. So it's trying to go, but why? Hold on. Let's get rid of position smoothing. What the fuck happened there? If I do smooth, it changes. That's strange. Okay. Did I move the camera? No. That's interesting. Oh, okay. I know what's happening. So if I go, keep like dragging, then if I drag back, it doesn't let me until I drag fully. That's bad. Why is that though? Oh, because we're setting the position, even though the limit is wait, but that shouldn't happen. What? But even if this is, let's scroll limit in pixels. The camera stops moving when reaching this value. Yeah, but the position doesn't. That's an issue, no? Let's print the position for a second. Yeah, the position keeps going. So it doesn't actually limit it. That's bad. What? That is strange. Okay. If position, or no, if limit, is there like a limit rect? No, I have to make my own. Cool. This is in pixels, right? So let's do that. Actually, not sure how useful A-star will be, since I'm going turn-based and they just need to be able to move to the closest tile they can and avoid occupied tiles. Closest tile they can and avoid. Yeah, that would still be useful, because you can say, hey, this occupied tile is a blocked tile. You can mark tiles as like obstacles in A-star, and then you can say, give me, can I go from this position to that position, and what is the closest one? Because you can also do like get neighboring tiles and like get closest to and stuff like that. So it would still work, I think. It would still be useful. All right, let's make this thing. So X, Y, width and height. Oh my god. Okay. X, Y would be left and no. X, Y. That's still top left corner, right? So that would be, yeah, top left. So top, limit top, limit left. Width would be right. So limit right divided by 2 and limit, wait, width and height, was it? Why is it not saying me? Telling me what it needs. There we go. Yeah, width and height. So limit right divided by 2 and then limit bottom divided by 2. And then what next? Oh yeah, the limit rect. So if limit rect has point position, no, we need to first do it. Wait, no. What? I'm confused. We already need to see in advance, right? We need to limit it. Why am I limiting position? This is so dumb. It should work like that by default. Godot camera limit doesn't limit position. Yeah, this is exactly what's happening, yeah. Next position is still inside. That's dumb. Why do I have to do that? That is stupid. That is actually dumb. I don't like that. Yeah, that's dumb. Mm-hmm. This is very old. This is Windows 7. Oh, 2022. Okay, that's not that bad. Well, I guess we were clapping it ourselves. Wow. Love to see that. Uh, Oh yeah, but I would still like to use the limits in here, so this would still be useful. Yeah. Well, would it be useful? If I do get viewports and then size. Okay. Yeah. So it's just bottom right, basically. Oh yeah, wait, this has to be in the events, right? Um, yep, that seems about right. And then zoom X times, and then the limits. So in this case, that would be. Wait, would it? No. Hmm. Wait, hold on. That's the wrong window. This one. This is still open. Great. At this point, I might as well just make my own camera. Honestly. I might as well. Oh, I see. Cool. Hmm. Let's see if the fix of this guy will work or not. My my only problem is gonna be that if I do on-ready var viewport size, that this viewport size can change, right? Size. So like if the parent node is a sub viewport container and its search is true, the viewport size cannot be changed. Okay. So that's good. So no, this will be the same no matter what. Okay, that's good, at least. Hopefully. Because that way I don't have to keep getting the size every single time. Well, which I probably could, but let's just not for now. I don't know how expensive it is to do that. What? Oh yeah, right. It's a vector. Yep. Sure is. What am I clamping? Floats. Okay. That's correct. But this has to be. Oh, this has to be top. And this has to be bottom. There we go. I think. Yeah. Seems like it. But my question is if I should use the position. Oh my god. I don't want to. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm doing this now. Um. I don't think we need to zoom. That's the thing. Hmm. Yeah, let's well, no, we do need the zoom because the zoom is already set. So it would not work correctly. But I guess the position can be the position. This one. uh, or not, you know, that's also an option. I keep pressing the wrong one. They both go outside. That's the problem. Yeah, this doesn't change anything. Also, I think this needs to be normal clamp. There we go. Wait, that's not correct. What the fuck? It is correct, but it's not at the same time. Oh, you know why? Because it's getting the... Oh no, that shouldn't work though. That is very strange. Hold on. Oh, I see. Okay. Why is it 2x2? Maybe that's why it doesn't work. Viewport size. There we go. Okay, so it's just shitting itself on the first frame. That's kind of stupid, but sure. Hmm. How do I prevent that? Is waiting one process frame enough? Yes, okay. Then we're okay. Is it though? Let me see. Max FPS. Let's do 15. It is okay. Or it should be at least. I don't know if it is. Does it work now? No, not really. It's bitter. But for some reason, that is strange. Hold on. Also, I don't know why I'm printing it this way. I should be doing it this way. It's still gonna be almost the same thing though, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know. I don't know. This might be old. This is a 3.5 thing, and the cameras work differently. So that's an issue. Honestly, I could just... make it so the limits are based on my own stuff instead of like the viewport and whatever, right? I think that's easier. So I would go through this basically. I would check, hey, is my position this and this, you know? I don't know if I need the limit rect specifically, but we have it just in case, you know? It's so funny how I always say, oh, we need to do this and this and this, and then I get stuck on the worst thing ever, every single time. All right. So, we need to check that if we want to move to a certain direction, I don't think we need to clamp anything. I can just say, or actually it would be better if I clamp it, but I don't know. I can just say like, if the position that I want to go in is in the limits, then go there. So I can do like if limit rect has point this, then I can actually do it, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, right. Why the fuck is it shitting itself? What? Isn't this in pixels? Am I going crazy? Oh, no, it isn't in int. What? I don't get it. Maybe I'm doing the math wrong, but I'm not sure. Oh, right. That doesn't work because it's... I hate this sometimes so fucking much. Like, why does it happen? Like, why is GD script, like, the editor is so bad sometimes? Why? Fix it, please. Someone. Like, I'm just gonna have these there forever just because it's shitting itself. Like, that's so stupid. What if I do it this way? What if I put it up here? Yeah, I guess that works, but still, that's dumb. Why do I have to do it that way? Oh my god. Anyway, something is not right still. Doesn't work. Because apparently this never gets called. Yeah, that's strange. Let me see something real quick. Draw? No, debug draw, what is it? No, it was just draw, right? Func draw. Yeah. Func draw. Draw rect. I can't see. There we go. Limit rect, which I guess we can put somewhere up here. Hmm. Why can I not see this? What's up with that? What is going on? So true. What's so funny, huh? Yeah, this is correct. This is fine. What's going on? I should be seeing this whole thing. What if I make it smaller? Oh, oh, that doesn't help me because now I can't see it. Wow. Who could have guessed? Hmm. Oh, I'm done. What is going on here? No, I literally can't see it. Oh. What? Oh, that's fine. If I do falls, it's gonna disappear, but still. What? Why? Why can I not see it? I should be... Okay, let's do 10. I don't know. Still nothing. Oh, hello. Why is it up there? -1000. If I'm at 0... Yeah, that makes no sense. That makes no sense. All right, hold on. Hmm. I'm gonna screenshot this. Just so I have it for later. We'll reset this thing. Oh, whoops. There we go. Why can I not see it? Oh, wait, that's not gonna work. I'm stupid. Because now the... Oh my god. Hold on. I'm dumb. No, wait, actually... give me a second. The limit would be, in this case, minus 500. No. Oh, is that why? Is it because these are flipped? No. Oh, yeah, no, that would not work. What? All right, let's see. Can it please tell me what I need to do? This is what is happening. There we go. Yeah. X and Y. So left would be the first one. So it is flipped. And then Y is the bottom or the top? What? Oh, wait. No, it might be... No, that would be the left, right, or top left corner, no? X, Y. So left top and then width is right bottom? No, that would still work. So left, right, and then width is... No. Oh my god, what am I doing? Left, top, so minus 5,000. Or 1,000, I mean. And then right divided by 2, and bottom divided by 2. I see one small sliver of it. What is going on? Where is it going? Why? What is going on? Hold on. Keep going to the wrong one. Yeah, no, it's correct. It's just that I couldn't see it because it was tiny. So if I do like 10, false. Keep going to the wrong one. There we go. That's very tiny. That's not correct. Why is that not correct? With... Oh, wait. Why am I doing this division? Is it because is it because of that? Oh yeah, also it stays with me, so... Hmm. Oh yeah, right. Is there no way to convert the whole rect to a global position? Oh yeah, wait, no, I need to... That's not how that works. The position has to be position minus my position, right? Or plus, I don't remember. Or the other way around. I don't remember. What? Oh, I know why. That's why. Now it should probably move. Yep. Oh my god, I keep pressing the wrong one. There we go, that's what I wanted. It's still wrong, but it's better than it was. So let's fix that. That's way too much. Is that correct? That's not correct, is it? No. I don't think so. Oh yeah, wait, no it is because the camera doesn't have... Give me a second. There we go. That's tiny. It is moving. There we go. Fixed. Wait, but not really, because we can still go... Oh no, wait, can we? Oh no, it is fixed. It's just that the position is like... There's still something wrong. I'm not sure what. It might be a precision issue. Give me a second. Has point. How does this work? Mm-hmm. There's probably like a precision issue. Yeah, because we shouldn't be able to do this. It's changing the coordinates, but it's not changing the view. Let's say that I can't get let's do just X and nothing else, right? So like everything just has X, 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 X. Or no, let's print a normal position. Oh yeah, right. It's fine. We can do this. This is okay. Everything else shouldn't. Right. So I can only move left and right now. That's perfect. You can see that if I keep going, it says minus 1500. But there's like a small, you can see it here when I'm moving my mouse. I guess that makes sense because I'm going from this position where I'm clicking. I guess that's okay. It just feels wrong, you know what I mean? Like I have to move way too much. If I click here and drag, yeah, that doesn't feel good. No, there's something wrong. Also, my music just stopped. Why? What's wrong? My whole music app just crashed. That's what's wrong. Okay, good to know. Is it just not gonna work now? Sick. Give me a second. Need to fix that real quick. Is it just not gonna play now? What's going on? What is going on? I think it actually just died. Hold on. What? How do I fix this? That sucks. What the fuck? It actually just doesn't, like, it just refuses to play anything. It just keeps loading the last thing. That's stupid. What if I change the audio source? Is that gonna fix it? No. Cool. Love to see it. What the fuck? How am I supposed to... what's going on right now? I just can't do anything now. Cool. What if I want to skip this? Remove from queue. I can't even click on it. Click on it. What is happening? It's shitting itself. No. Add to queue. And then queue. And then remove. It doesn't let me remove it. Why? What if I do that? No? Nothing? It's just stuck loading forever. Cool. Love to see it. What the fuck? There is a new version. It might be time to download that one. So I guess we're out of music. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna try to fix this later. Because yeah, something isn't right. So I think it's because it's not actually clamping anything. Might be that, but we'll see. It might also have to do something with like the relative event stuff, the position. So yeah, we'll see, I guess. I bet it has to do something with the zoom as well. But yeah, anyways. Where is my Twitch? There it is. Yep. Alright, gamers. We're gonna raid, and then I'll try to fix this shit later because I don't know what's going on. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. Never mind. We're not doing that. Never mind. We're doing this though. There we go. Alright, anyways. I'm gonna try to fix this. I don't know how, but I'll figure it out, I'm sure. So I'll see you maybe tomorrow, probably, who knows, because I have stuff to do, so we'll see. But yeah, anyways, thanks for stopping by, and yeah, maybe next time we'll get to actually finishing the layout, like the new layout, I guess, or not finishing, but like, you know, the test layout, and then we can continue doing like the upgrades and loading and saving and stuff like that. That's the easy part. The hard part is actually like just, you know, making this work first, and then yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.